Hello everyone, hi Gemini, welcome back our channel. So this is the special bonus reading for you, messages for 2020 December and what are the messages coming in for 2021. So let's see your messages, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So Gemini, first we will see from this Moon Oracle deck what are the special messages for you. Conclusion are within reach. Be bold and make first move. Okay, yeah, conclusions are within reach. I think you conclusions are within you, and definitely you are going to be conclude something in your life which I think you are not sure for something. Definitely you are waiting for conclusion and it is coming, and you are going to be see the conclusion. And if you want conclusion from another person, and be bold, make a first move. Yeah, you will get a message, you will get conclusion, you will get get clarify. Okay, definitely be bold and make first move, Gemini. Yeah, these are the two cards from Moon Oracle deck. So let's see from Tarot. What are the messages and outcome, advice, hopes and fears and everything. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see our reading, your messages, Gemini. This is your present. Wow. Challenge. Past and recent past. The outcome and advice. I want one clarification card for the outcome. Two of Cups. Yeah. Under the deck, Emperor. I think you are very committed person. You are very honest person in this connection. Even though you have some ego, there is some ego problem because you are very stubborn, but you are very committed and very honest in this connection. Yeah, you are very loyal. So let's see. Excuse me 1 minute. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, let's see. I think your present situation is Six of Cups. I think you are reconciled with your person in right now, or if not happening in near future, definitely you will reconcile with your person because the present situation is Six of Cups. Okay, the challenge is Five of Swords here. You have to overcome the disturbances between both of you, because in every relationship there are some disturbances, there are some ups and downs, but you have to these disturbances between both of you, and you have to fix, then the relationship is going to be next level. This is the challenge for you. Okay, yeah, Six of Cups, definitely reconciliation. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yeah, you both are emotionally connected, what I am seeing here. And in recent past, Queen of Pentacles, I think, and Four of Wands. Yeah, you are reconciled and you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Queen of Pentacles, I think you are very caring and giving person, and you are very loving and caring, what I'm seeing here, Queen of Pentacles. And Four of Wands, recent past, yeah, you both want this happiness with each other. You both are twin flames, 11 and 11. There is celebration. I think what I'm seeing here, definitely your person may be lied to you or cheated on you in past. For some only they are hiding something from you. It could be third party situation also. Five of Swords, yeah, but you want to end all that. Five of Swords means give up on the what the disturbances between both of you, misunderstandings between both of you, because the outcome, seven of swords with two of cups, definitely they lied on you, they lied to you definitely in past. That's why there are some trust issues. Even though you are reconciled with your person, there are some trust issues still you are having with your person. Yeah, two of cups. Now I think your person really changing for you, because seven of swords, clarification card is two of cups. Definitely there is love, because two of cups with seven of swords, they're really changing for you, what I'm seeing here. And the advice, the path to the future is High Priestess. But one thing is clear, you have to trust your intuition, you have to listen to your higher self, okay? Because intuition never tells wrong, it always guide to a true path, okay? Always trust your intuition, listening to your inner voice, listening to your higher self. Yeah, if you really having trust issues, okay, take decision before giving another chance to your person, what I'm saying here, because the present situation is reconciliation. If you are not in reconciliation, definitely they are coming back for reconciliation. And you have to, if you are still having trust issues, take your own time, then make decision, okay? Because seven of swords is there. I don't know your situation clearly, but as it is some sneaky energy. If it is only about lies, it is okay, but about third party situation, if you already know about third party situation, it's up to you. But two of cups is here. Yeah, you also love your person, you are also emotionally invested in this connection. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But lot of air energy is here. High Priestess, definitely trust your intuition. It is the advice and path to the future also. You have to trust your intuition in any situation, okay? Listening to your higher self. So let's see more about you, Gemini. Yeah, you are very caring and giving person, what I'm saying here, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, more about you. You are very loving and you're a neutral person. You share love, you share positive happiness to everyone. Yeah, you are very positive person. You see every situation in a positive way. But this time you have to use your head instead of your heart, what I'm seeing here. Because seven of swords is there. Let's see more about the situation. Wow. Wow. Yeah, you stand by your power. You take your power back, and you are this energy. You are in situation right now. Yeah, you are listening to the higher self. You are ready to listen to your intuition. You are ready to listen to your inner power and inner voice. Yeah, more about situation, the strength. I think this connection has some potential also. You both have strong bond between both of you, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, this connection has some potential. If they're really changing for you, it is okay to give another chance to your person, okay? You know your situation well more than me. I am just giving the suggestions based on the cards and energy. So let's see hopes and fears in this connection. See the Devil card. I think there is some obsession involved in this connection. It causes resistance in this connection, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, the Devil is about obsession. I think your person may be obsessed with you. The Seven of Swords energy. That's why there are some trust issues, what I'm seeing here. Even though they are coming back, you are not trusting them easily this time, because they did something in past. Maybe they played games with you. Maybe that could be third party situation. Yeah, the Devil is here. Your person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. Definitely there is some obsession. Yeah, your person may be obsessed with you, or you also obsessed with your person. Let's see the outcome. Gemini. Lot of cards. Nine of Swords. I want one clarification card. Six of Pentacles. Again under the deck, the Emperor. So what I'm seeing here, the outcome is Nine of Swords with Six of Pentacles. I think your person may be in and out of your life, that is causing more insecurity in you, and you are in anxiety and energy depression. So that's why think twice before giving another chance, before making any decision, because Nine of Swords is very negative energy. It causing so much depression and anxiety in you. This energy is very bad for your health also. Six of Pentacles, yeah, because there is no equal give and take. When there is no equal give and take, I think there is no reason to continue, because you both are equally responsible for relationship. Okay, for some you are thinking about your financial issues. Definitely you are undergoing some financial issues also. Yeah, if they're ready to offer equal give and take and they're really changing for you, I think you are in so much confusion. You don't know which decision you have to make, because there is some obsession also. You are obsessed with your person, trust issues, but listening to your higher self, listening to your intuition, that is the advice I am going to give you in this situation. Okay, I won't, but you stand by your power. You overcome this pain, because the strength is here. Definitely you will overcome this. Yeah, I think they are coming back with the offer this equal give and take for some, and there will be reconciliation for some. Okay, so this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.